The moon. It is our nearest neighbor in the space. It is the natural satellite of the earth. It has no air, almost no water. It does not have any light of its own. It is observed as a silver its observed silvery glow is just because of the light of sun which is reflected from its surface. So, moon is the natural satellite of earth. Satellite means a heavenly, relatively smaller heavenly body that revolves around a bigger heavenly body. So, moon is revolving around the earth. So, moon is the natural satellite of the earth. It does not have any air or water on it, neither do it have any light of its own. It just reflects the light of sun falling on it. Moon almost takes 29.9 solar days to make one complete revolution around the earth. Although one half of the moon is always illuminated by the sun's light, the lighted up portion of the moon appears to change its shape as viewed from earth. It should be clear, children, that the size of moon is not increasing or decreasing, because half part of the moon is always illuminated and half part is always dark. It is just because of the relative position of the earth, moon and sun we are able to see some part of the illuminated moon, according to which we see different sizes of moon. During the first half of the moon's orbit, the moon's visible size grows. It is known as moon waxes. During the remaining half of its orbit, the shape of the moon appear to decrease. It means moon wanes in size. Size decreases. Waxes means size increases. On a full moon day, the earth lies between moon and the sun. Earth, sun और मून के बीच में होती है and full illuminated, but they are not in a straight line, because of which we are able to see the full illuminated face of the moon to us, and that day is known as full moon day. On a new moon day, nearly after 15 days, the moon is on the side of earth, hence we cannot see it. The dark side of the moon is towards us. On this day, there is no light, no illuminated portion of moon towards the earth. Therefore, we say new moon day, when we are not able to see illuminated, when we are not able to see the illuminated moon. On the days following from new moon day, the illuminated part of the moon appears to crescent in the shape, and the size of the illuminated part keeps on growing. न्यू मून से लेकर फुल मून तक साइज ऑफ द मून कीप्स ऑन इंक्रीजिंग टिल इट बिकम्स फुल मून, एंड देन अगेन द साइज कीप्स ऑन डिक्रीजिंग. दीज अपेयरेंसेज, ये जो मून का इंक्रीज होना और साइज का डिक्रीज होना, दिस इज नोन एज फेजेस ऑफ मून. This is the image to show the phases of moon. You see sunlight is coming from right side, and when the sunlight is falling on the moon, when the dark portion is towards the earth, new moon day is there. When the full illuminated portion is towards the earth, full moon day is there, and in between waxing and waning of moon is taking place. The similar image is there in your book as well. You can study this image from the book also. Moon's surface. In 1961, the American astronaut Neil Armstrong, you must be knowing, landed on the moon for the first time, followed by Edwin Aldrin. So the first one to land on the moon was Neil Armstrong. Both of them went together, but Neil Armstrong was the first one to land on the moon, and he was followed by Edwin Aldrin. They found the moon's surface to be dusty and barren. वो सरफेस बिल्कुल डस्टी था, बैरन था, ऑलमोस्ट नो मॉइस्चर, craters up to hundreds of kilometers. Khaiyan, the craters 100-kilometer wide, was seen on the surface of moon, and it has large number of mountain ranges, valleys, lava plains were present on the moon. Moon does not possess any atmosphere or water. So the scientists were not able to find any trace of atmosphere and water on moon. So so there is no weather changes on it. As there is no atmosphere, so no trapping of heat, so the temperature on the moon is found to be extreme. During days, दिन के वक्त it can rise up to 100 degrees Celsius, means your blood can start boiling over there, and at noons, at nights, it can be minus 173 degrees Celsius. So we'll freeze over there if somebody stays on moon without any protection. So it means extreme temperatures are found on moon. Now, in our solar system, the solar family is consist of sun and the 8 planets. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Besides these planets, there are some minor planets called asteroids and some comets, some meteors, which are also present in our solar system. Between the sun and these celestial bodies, all the celestial objects are moving, revolving around the sun. Now, sun is the dominated figure of our solar system, which accounts for more than 99.9% of the matter. पूरे सोलर सिस्टम में जितना भी मैटर है उसका 99.9% मैटर तो सिर्फ सन में ही प्रेजेंट है. सो हाउ ह्यूज इज द सन एंड हाउ स्मॉल आर द प्लैनेट्स यू कैन वेरी वेल अंडरस्टैंड. The sun is also the source of all the energy in the solar system. We get all the energies from the sun. Either it is any form of energy. In class 7th, we have studied that all the forms of energy are actually received from solar energy. The sun is essentially a sphere of hot gases. It is made up of gases. The temperature on the bright disk, which is the source of energy, is about 6000 Kelvin. The temperature on the sun is 6000 Kelvin. The disk is called, जो sun की bright disk हमें दिखती है इसके चारों ओर, it is known as photosphere. The radius of sun is almost 100 times the radius of earth. मतलब उसका radius earth के radius से 100 times है, and the mass is about 1,000,000 times that of mass of earth. So it is how huge, how big is sun in relation to earth. Children, you have to find out the name of the gases which are present in sun. Okay, thank you.